You only see him when you're very young. A magical adventure for you. It's a magic for you.
隣のトットロトットロトットロトットロ Today I will show you how to make お弁当。おとちゃん気に入るかな？ Today we will introduce you how to make a lunchbox that Mei-chan made for her family in the movie My Neighbor Totoro. These are ingredients: 梅干し rice, lunchbox, fish 目刺し green peas, 桜でんぷ Put 3 I cook 目刺し in a frying pan. Let me share mine that doesn't work quite well first. After you arrange rice on the lunchbox, place green peas on top of rice. If you put sakura denpu on top, these procedures won't make our lunchbox pretty. Please pay attention. Place cooked fish in the middle. Finally, place 梅干し and it's done! 日の丸弁当。じゃーん、できました。おとちゃん食べるかな？おとちゃん watched My Neighbor Totoro is summer. This movie is one of the most famous Japanese movies.
You only see him when you're very young. A magical adventure for you.
Let's go there by train. Have you ever been to Japan? In Japan, trains will arrive at the station on time. My friends from overseas are surprised about the Japanese train system. Could you tell us about transportation in your country? It seems like there are lots of diverse rules. The culture difference in transportation depending on the country is interesting. We arrived. To be honest, Oto-chan is scared of Totoro because of its fuzzy looks. Instead, she likes Big Black Blackie because it's small. How about you? Oto-chan's favorite character in the movie is Mei-chan. She is acting like her. Okay, let's go to the museum. This is a ticket and it looks like a film. Do you know Robot Ami? If you have known, you are familiar with Japanese. Please give me your comment. Let's talk together about animation from Studio Ghibli. Now it's time to enjoy sweets. This is a well. People draw water from these kinds of wells using one power. It's the same as the screen from the movie. Now I will share how to make a Totoro bento box in detail. This is umeboshi. Umeboshi is pickled plant that was made in the old days. It's an ingredient that is used for onigiri bento boxes. Super sour, so it's famous as one of the acid-flavored foods. Umeboshi is a famous Japanese ingredient, so prefers you can get it at Asian supermarket in your country. If you are curious to know how to make umeboshi, please give me comments. We will share our family's recipe in the video next time. Our family members are talented at making umeboshi because it's a necessary ingredient for enjoying longevity in our life. Umeboshi power is great. We eat on March 3rd, Hinamatsuri Day in Japan. We use it for chirashizushi as well. In February, we use it for norizushi. The pink color is very pretty, so we use it for lunchboxes with character designs. To know the taste, please listen to Oto-chan's feedback later on. In Japan, we mainly eat this Japanese rice. This fish is my dad's favorite. It is rich in calcium and has a high nutritious value. Can you buy this fish in your country? It's a very easy recipe for a lunchbox. じゃーん。うわー。お弁当だよ。うわ。ピンクのでんぷん。でんぷん美味しそう。食べてみる？いいよ。どう？すっごく甘かった。すごく甘かった。お魚食べていいですか？いいですよ。どうやって食べるんですか？どうやって食べる？どっからでも食べていいよ。こう？うん。いいよ。うん、いいよ。
ありがとう。
Hey, let's go. Hey, let's go. I'm happy as can be. Let's go working you and me. Let it say, come on, let's go. Over the hill, across the field, through the journey we'll go. Run across the bridge and down the bumpy gravel road. Lie beneath the spider's web, and he said, let's